Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on chat lock on WhatsApp. If you're looking to enhance the security of your conversations, follow these steps to enable chat lock for added privacy. To begin, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once the app is open, navigate to the chat that you want to secure with chat lock. Within the chat, tap on the contact's name located at the top of the screen. This will open the contact info screen, providing you with details about the conversation. Scroll down on the contact info screen to find the option to turn on chat lock. Tap on this option to enable a chat lock for the selected conversation. After turning on chat lock, tap on Continue and Proceed to scan your fingerprint to verify the action and activate the chat lock successfully. By following these steps, you can ensure that your conversations are protected with an additional layer of security through chat lock on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative tutorials and guides on optimizing your messaging experience.